A large piece of acetate fiber presents a charming color. Repeatedly cutting it by the machining center, then polish for over 30 hours using a roller grinder. Do you know how glasses are produced and made? Take everyone into a historic eyewear factory. This acetate material can achieve decorative effects with different patterns. It is also widely used in various high-end eyewear manufacturing. Compared to others, glasses with plastic frames will be more affordable. The most obvious feature of acetate fiber is its light texture. Secondly, the texture is relatively sturdy. Good strength even if acetate fiber is not metal, but still more resilient than plastic. The obvious feature is that the eyeglass frame is not easily broken. The image shows a CNC machining center. This material requires precise cutting using a machining center. In the later stage, only surface grinding and polishing are needed. This is the semi-finished eyeglass frame after processing. Now let's move on to the second process. That is to say, the pressure softens the curve of the eyeglass frame. After the machine is pressed down, the eye frame appears curved. Moderate bending is in line with the facial features of the human body. Start the third process of low-temperature drying. This is to increase the strength of the eyeglass frame. Cool it down, make the internal structure more stable. This process will be dried at low temperature for 5 hours in the box. Nowadays, eyeglass frames are more sturdy. Start the fourth process of cutting the eyeglass frame bracket. It's located above the ear. A bracket that serves as a support. This process requires the production of long strips of acetate fibers. Change to the shape of the eyeglass frame bracket. The fifth process is surface treatment. Scrape rough surfaces to make them smoother and smoother. In the blink of an eye, we arrived at the sixth process. Need to proceed. 3-hour polishing process. That's also why a pair of acetic acid glasses that can be sold for hundreds of dollars, instead of producing thousands of pairs every day. A pair is only sold for a few tens of yuan. Start entering the seventh process. We will grind the eyeglass frames here. Increase the fineness of the surface. This will enhance the comfort of wearing. Good reputation and response are both the result of these details. Start entering the eighth process. Installing nose pads, that is, the two round rubbers located above the bridge of the nose, plays a role in supporting the glasses. The installation method here is different from other types. This installation is directly bonded together using glue. It's not fixed with screws. It may be difficult to replace the nose pad. Enter the ninth process. Drill screw holes on both sides of the eyeglass frame, mainly fixed together with the bracket in the seventh process. First, use a machine to drill a hole. Use a small tab to process the internal thread again. After the completion of the ninth process, arriving at the 10th process, start assembling the bracket and eyeglass frame. After this process has been done for a long time, I estimate that I will have to wear glasses. 10th process, grinding docking position. Hand polishing, remove excess edges and corners. The 11th process begins. Processing eyeglass lenses. Glasses lenses mainly consist of glass, resin lenses, and PC lenses, etc. Initially, glass was used as the main material. The disadvantages are fragility and excessive weight. Wearing heavy glasses all day long. There are red marks on the bridge of the nose. The edge of the lens will be slowly ground inside the machine. Change the circle into an ellipse. The 12th process involves installing lenses. Just press hard once. But we also need to consider the force. Excessive force can easily cause deformation. The last step is to wipe it off. All fingerprints and imprints on the surface need to be collected. Here. Wipe it all off. The production process of the glasses has officially been completed. Here. At the end of the film, let me show you glasses of various colors. These are all show acetate glasses. The main reason why it is better than plastic glasses. Plastic glasses want to be colorful, can only be painted or colored, and acetate fiber can provide multiple colors and patterns. For acetic acid glasses and plastic glasses, which do you think is better?